A common mistake I see from learners is saying something like Níos Mó Tábhachtach for more important. And this is actually a great example of a time where Irish is more logical than English. Let's take two different adjectives in English. I could say easy and I could say important. To do the comparative for each of those is going to be a bit different. For easy, it'll turn to easier, but then for important, I can't say importanter, I have to say more important. And that's quite random, it just depends on what adjective you're using in English. But in Irish, we're always doing the same thing if we're using the comparative of an adjective. We're just putting a níos beforehand, no níos mó, just níos, and then we're going to change it so it ends with a vowel afterwards. So instead of Níos Mó Tábhachtach, the direct translation from English, we'll instead say Níos Tábhachtaí for more important, níos éasca, easier. And little tip on the side of that as well, a lot of adjectives such as Tábhachtach end with ACH. When we have that ACH and we're after a níos or an is, let's say for the superlative, that'll be the most important or easiest, we just change the ACH to I fada, or the odd time you'll get one as well that's slender, in which case it'll change to I fada by itself. Tábhachtach, níos tábhachtaí, gnóthach, níos gnóthaí, réithúiseach, is réithúisí for let's say the superlative there, most laid back or most relaxed.